Namaste, warm welcome in this virtual class. I am Rubina Khan, English English teacher. Today here we are going to discuss on the topic article. Firstly, of and the are the articles. There are two types of article. One is definite and another one is indefinite and another is definite. Indefinite mean which is unclear, clear नभएको भने definite भनेको चाहिँ clear, so clear. So as we all know that there are 26 alphabetical letters in English alphabetical letter, and among them 21 letters are consonant letter and 5 letters are vowel letter. Consonant letter they are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, whereas vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. And now here I am going to discuss about how to use articles. Firstly, use of a article. First point, a is used with a countable noun, like as example, a table, a chair, etc. Secondly, a is an indefinite article, example, a man. A counts with nouns that begin with a consonant sound, example, a girl, a boy, a doctor, etc. Lastly, a is used only with a singular number, example, a book, a copy, etc. These are the rules where we use of articles. Now next one, use of an article. An is an indefined article, example, an ugly girl. An comes with nouns that begin with a vowel sound, example, an apple, an owl, an iron, etc. An is used only with a singular number, an example, an umbrella. This is also the rules of an article where we use. Now next one is use of the. We use the articles in various forms. Firstly, the is used with the names of holy books, example, the Quran, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, etc. Next, the is used with famous buildings, example, the Singhadwarbar, the White House, the Taj Mahal, etc. Next point, the is used with the names of seas, the Pacific Ocean, the Garden, Canal, etc. Use of the articles. The is used before names of big rivers, example, the Kosi, the Karnali, the Trishuli, etc. The is used before the name of musical instrument, example, the guitar, the drum, the madal, the violin, etc. The is used with the superlative degree of adjectives, example, the tallest, the fattest, etc. The is used before the name of mountain, ranges, deserts, hotels, newspapers, ships, museums, libraries, etc. Example, the Sahara, the Mount Everest, the Kathmandu Post, the National Museum, the National Library, etc. The is used with the name. The is used before the names of inner parts of the body, example, the brain, the heart, the kidney, the bone. The is used before the inner parts of the house, example, the kitchen, the living room, the bedroom, etc. These are the rules that how we use a and the articles. Now here I have given some assignment for you. You can do this assignment yourself.